Hi everyone, it's Salter. Nicole Copperthorne here from Minuteman High School. We're really missing coming to clinical there. Our students wanted to make a video for you guys and show some support. We really miss all the residents. Our students can't wait to be back there when all this calms down. We appreciate all you do and we hope that everybody's doing okay.
Hi everybody, my name's Sophie. I'm from Minuteman. Some of you might remember me. I come in with some of my friends and make your beds for you and talk to you. I just wanted to say I hope you guys are doing well and staying healthy and safe, and I hope you have a great rest of the day. Okay, bye!
Hey guys, it's Riley from Minuteman High School. Hope you guys are doing well. I wish all of us could stop by and see you and just spend the day again. But sadly we cannot with the quarantine. I hope you guys are doing well. Best of luck.
Hi residents, it's Layla, sophomore from Minuteman High School, and I just want to say hi and I hope that everyone's doing well with everything going on right now.
Hi, I'm Grace. I'm a student at Minuteman, and I just wanted to say hi and that I hope everything's going well over there. So sad that me and my classmates haven't been able to come in and help. I miss everyone and learning from everyone there. Stay safe. Bye.
Hi, I'm Lillian. I'm a health assisting student from Minuteman. We've visited you guys a couple of times to make beds and stuff, and I just want to say I hope everyone's doing well. I know we haven't been able to visit and make beds for you guys, and I hope we will soon. We've just been trying to keep everyone as happy and healthy as possible, so I hope everyone's doing well, and I look forward to seeing you again.
Hi residents, I hope you guys are doing well and staying safe, and I hope to see you soon.
Hi, I'm Eleanor, a student from Minuteman. I hope all is going well for you guys during this quarantine, and I wish I could see you guys. You guys were always able to brighten my day, and I really missed that.